right now, the modern people, they follow science and technology. They believe that mankind will one day conquer nature. They say that we already, have been able to develop a computer, cell phone, a spaceship, fly to the moon, and the science and technology help the mankind to become the true boss on the earth. And we believe that as long as our scientists continue to develop science and technology, one day we will conquer all human diseases. We'll be able to have a spaceship that we can travel all over the universe, and we can go, settle down in other planets and build our home, vacation home, on Mars. Do you know what I mean? Oh, we have the blueprint of our human body called the human genome. We already got all the sequence. And those scientists are so brilliant. They're going to come up with all the solutions for our life. One day we'll be able to clone a heart when our heart is broken, clone a liver when our liver is broken, clone a kidney, clone an eye, ears, the bones. We're going to be like, our body will be able to replace by all these artificially cloned pieces of parts. We are just a machine. And the scientists will be able to find the solutions for our broken parts and replace it so we'll be able to live forever. This is being spread as the ultimate solution of human world, human being. From birth, aging, sickness, and death, the scientists will be able to eventually wipe out all disease and find a solution of death, and mankind will be eternally happy, and build a earthly paradise and live eternally happy ever after on the earth. Do you know? This is in people's mind right now. This being actually, as a truth delivered to all our children. That's why the entire human race, the first number one faith, trust, has been placed onto science and technology. But look at what happened in the past 3 years when mankind is presented by a virus. What did the scientists do? Did the scientists come up with a solution to save humanity from being attacked by one teeny little virus we're talking about? We're not talking about other big time diseases like a cancer, you know what I mean? Mental diseases and all that. We're talking about a teeny little virus. What happened to the whole world? What happened to those scientists? Those scientists didn't do anything. Not only didn't do anything, they were the troublemakers. Most likely in the future we'll learn the truth that the virus itself was created by the scientists. With the arrogance, want to conquer SARS, make vaccines for that SARS epidemic in China of 2003. Oh, we gonna be able to come up with a vaccine. Let's dig out all those virus from the bats. Let's work on it. Let's play it. Let's pretend it's going to infect human, and let's change those parts of the spike and manipulate a little bit and put on the animal, and let's do experiments. They played with those viruses. One day the viruses came right out from the laboratory, leaked right into the human population, and then suddenly everything became out of control. You see? Remember the Titanic story? Titanic.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, man now is so smart. We can build a beautiful ship, never sink. Titanic was called the never sinking ship. A lot of rich people bought the ticket, right? Rockefeller family, right? Lots of famous people, they bought the ticket for the first sail of the Titanic. God taught humanity a big lesson. Never sinking ship, it sunk on its first sail. into the ocean.
Yeah.
Modern science and technology, can it save humanity from disasters? Not only cannot, it is, as a matter of fact, already become the very threat of the human lives, every human life on the earth. This past 3 years, all the lost lives, they all had faith in modern science. They were big followers of modern science. They all run for hospital treatment if they can. And the ventilator machine killed them, many of them. They probably, if they just stay home, their body, if they trusted their own divine created body, their body would have been able to come up with a solution and lived. No, they don't trust their own body. They trust the machine. They went to the hospital, want the machine to save their life. They did, on the machine. Ventilators. They don't trust their body. They want a vaccine. They zap, vaccine 1, 2, 3, 4 shots, right? Is it going to help them to survive? Most likely not. Maybe they're still alive today, but they are in great danger. If they don't change their heart and they don't know how to apply their faith towards truth, you cannot believe in lies. You know, you have to find the truth to follow. Only truth can lead you to peaceful heart. Because what means truth? The truth means the correct way to travel. Right? So, truth, compassion itself has to be based upon truth. Forbearance. Yeah. So for me, I think humanity has been blessed. 知恩真，施安善，日恩忍。Correct, beautiful. 真善忍. These 3 words contains the very fundamental law of our universe. That is the fundamental nature of our universe. That's very high. It basically manifests in all different levels of our life. This is the reason, Falun Dafa practitioners, everybody, after following these 3 words and following the teaching of Falun Dafa, walk on the earth and the heart. First of all, everybody experiences the heart has tranquility. That's so amazing. Before was a dried blood state. The moment practicing truthfulness, compassion, forbearance, everything starts to be smooth. You find the home as if once you already, what is and on the top was like a roof, right? Underneath there is a 女 lady in the home. Well, that lady means mom and grandmother and sister, right? I mean, when you come home, if the home has the nourishing power of mother, grandmother, and beautiful sister, your heart just feel home and happy. So yeah, women plays a very important role in delivering peace. So yeah, our daily life, if we can work on the ability to follow the truth, be kind, and always forbear and forgive other people. Don't always look at other people's faults. Why your heart cannot be peaceful? You always look at other people's problem. You're supposed to look at your own problem and work on it. Cultivate your heart. Get rid of all those negativities And so you will become stronger and stronger. You see, this 人 is all about heart. The bottom part is heart. The top part is a knife with a drop of blood already on it. So when your heart is being hurt and shredded by negativity, you have to be able to confront that with total forgiveness, tranquility, and strength. So this word is fundamental for developing tranquil heart. 忍 Shan is a fundamental force to help us not to get into trouble with other people. If you're always kind to other people, where is other people coming to you? You know what I mean? Always be kind and be able to endure, and then you follow the truth. So 真善忍, you follow these 3 words to practice everyday life. I guarantee your heart will be peaceful, and then your blood will flow so smoothly. You know, that is the foundation of, I think, human health.
Okay.